This will become your best and favorite pasta ever. Look how delicious. Hello, welcome back to my kitchen, guys. Welcome with your chef Paolo. So, crab season. I'm gonna show you how in Italy we use the crab meat to make a super delicious, tasty, full of flavors, homemade fettuccine. Homemade fettuccine. You have my recipe, check the video and make it home with your children. Let's check the ingredients, guys. So here we have for, let's say, 2 people, 250 grams of homemade fettuccine, 200 grams of cherry tomato, different colors, 250 grams of crab meat, thyme, 2 cloves of garlic, some spiciness, olive oil, black pepper and salt. First thing first, we make our special cherry tomato cream. Let's start. Once we finish all our cherry tomato, we chop garlic. Switch on the fire, in this case, let's say medium-high, our base of extra virgin olive oil. First thing first, what is the base? Garlic. Remember, always first the garlic or the onion. Those are our base of any type of sauce. Sometimes when you do bolognese, you can check my recipe of bolognese. The base is garlic, onion, celery and carrot. Mamma mia, such an amazing thing. So the garlic is usually need to get his gold color. Now it's time to do our cherry tomato. High fire, 7 minutes, and it's gonna be ready to become an amazing cream. In the meantime, guys, I'm gonna chop the spicy and I'm gonna prepare my super aromatic and fresh thyme. After 7 minutes, our cherry tomato sauce is ready to be blended to become an amazing cream. But first, some salt, some spicy, and we add our thyme leaves. Look, you cannot imagine the smell, guys. The smell is just glorious. And now we finish our cherry tomato cream in our blender. And voila! Look how beautiful it is. Such a nice orange color. Last step, we boil the water to cook our pasta and we prepare our super delicious crab meat. I fire the water, medium fire the pepper, some olive oil, and we can put our crab meat. We use the same pan we had before to make our cherry tomato cream sauce, so we already started to make some taste to our crab meat. This is a canned crab meat. You can buy everywhere in the supermarket, in the grocery. You see how big is the chocolate. This is real crab meat, guys. After 1 minute, we just put some white wine. You see, the alcohol is all evaporating while the wine is cooking and give this special aroma to our crab meat. Our water is boiling, so first thing first, 2 teaspoons of salt. And then our super nice, look at that, fresh homemade fettuccine. Okay, to cook our homemade fettuccine usually takes between 7 and 8 minutes, guys. But you know we never try, right? We always need to try to make a perfect texture for our homemade fettuccine. So it's the time to add our super amazing cherry tomato cream to our crab meat. Our homemade fettuccine are ready, and we pass all our pasta in the pan of the sauce. This will become your favorite pasta ever. Once you make it at home, send me the picture, guys, because you're gonna love it. Homemade crab meat and cherry tomato cream fettuccine. And now, guys, it's the time to try. Mamma mia, I can't wait. Look how creamy, how juicy is this pasta, guys. Mamma mia, ragazzi. Must be a reason if this pasta is the best seller pasta in my restaurant Roma, right? They all love it. You're gonna love this pasta. We're gonna celebrate together with this pasta the crab season, which is one of the best seasons in China to eat some really nice crab. Of course, Italian style with a special touch of the chef Paolo. Always here, next recipe. I'll wait for you. Se vedemo. Bye bye!